Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you where to go inside of your iPhone 12 Pro settings to turn on the new Apple ProRAW format. With the release of iOS 14.3 and the iPhone 12 Pro models, Apple released its new RAW photo format, Apple ProRAW. This is great if you're a photographer looking to get a little more range out of your typical mobile phone pictures. But remember, not every photo needs to be shot in RAW, as each image takes now up to 10 to 12 times more space. Luckily, Apple also included a shortcut inside of the camera app to turn on or off the ProRAW option. I'll show you that after I show you how to initially enable the new format. To get started, head to your settings app and first make sure you're updated to the latest iOS version. Scroll down to General and next tap Software Update. Here you'll see what software version you're at. You need to be to at least 14.3, so if you're not, I'll link in the description below to a video walking you through how to do that. Head back to the settings main menu and scroll down until you see Camera. Tap that and you'll be at the camera settings page. At the top, tap Formats. In here, you'll have your camera capture formats, and at the bottom, the ability to enable Apple ProRAW. Tap the slider to turn it on. Now that ProRAW is enabled, close the settings app and open the camera app. In the corner, you will now see the RAW option button. Tap it to easily turn RAW on or off. As I said in the beginning of this video, not every photo needs to be RAW. Take your picture like normal and you're all set. And that's how you enable the new Apple ProRAW format inside of the iPhone 12 Pro models running iOS 14.3 or later. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.